Hello creators. We always wish to have a perfect and modern website for our business, especially if it is an e-commerce website. Using WordPress, we can create stunning websites in no time without having any technical knowledge. What is most important? The selecting a perfect WordPress theme. So choosing a WordPress theme is crucial step to make a successful website, and on this channel WP Themes we have seen hundreds of themes and other resources on this channel. So you can choose, compare and understand how you can make a perfect website using the resources available at WordPress. I wish to welcome all new visitors of this channel and also wish to convey my thanks to all existing subscribers and regular visitors to make this channel the biggest YouTube channel for theme overview. And in this video, I have a wonderful WordPress theme for fashion, jewelry and furniture store. And the theme is Bemins. So we are going to use this theme for creating a demo website in this video. We have multiple options as pre-made websites. And Bemins is a dedicated theme for fashion and jewelry e-commerce store, and it has been developed by a Power Elite author at Envato Market. You can buy the theme just for $48 by following a video description link given herein. And at the themeforest.net, of course, you have to buy the theme. And the theme is actually new, came into existence this year only, and regular updates for this theme is also going on time to time. And this theme has a Shopify version as well, but yes, we are concerned with WordPress on this channel. And as per existing users, it has got a very wonderful reviews and rating. So let us see how this theme is going to be helpful for us for making a successful and clean website. So with the Bemins, we have 12 plus demo homepages. So we can select any of these homepages. So you have multiple options, and like this is furniture, fashion, all fashion and furniture store can be seen here. Jewelry store. So we can target three type of e-commerce website: jewelry, fashion and furniture using this thing. And if I talk about look, all looks and the presentation is very modern. So of course, this theme is going to be a perfect choice, but yes, you have to watch this complete video until you understand the theme features. Don't go with this theme or any other theme. You need to understand first because you are taking a crucial decision for your WordPress website success. Okay, so let us begin, and I am always available with this shared hosting plan that I am using for demonstration purposes. And yes, we have the theme pack. In the theme pack, I got this theme, so installable theme file and the child. Further, I have sample data, licensing and documentation. So we are going to use this installable theme file that is showing 19 MB in size around. Okay, to begin the installation, we can simply go to the domain. So domain means WordPress core installation that you can do simply using WordPress Softaculous option. You can install the WordPress core. I'm going to use this instance, and it is using the default WordPress theme as of now, I believe. This instance, I need to check. So yes, I need to use a clear instance. Okay, so this one is free, and this is using the default WordPress theme 2021. So I'm going to log in here for installing new theme Bemins. And it is going to be so simple. So what we can do, I will make, okay, so this is not 21. I need to log in 21 in fact. So it is just an instance name. In your case, it would be the domain name. Okay, so this is clear installation, and it is using the default WordPress theme as of now. And we are going to use a new theme here, Bemins. So we can simply click on the add new theme and for the upload theme, and here we need to choose the installable theme file, and that is laying inside the theme directory bemins.zip. Simply select this, click on install now. It will take hardly few seconds in installing the theme depending upon your host and the internet speed. So I always recommend to have a WordPress optimized hosting plan that you can get at WP Themes website by following the video description link. Yes, so theme have been installed successfully. We can go to the theme page, and yes, it is here, the Bemins along with the default theme. Check the details. I'm using version 1.0.7. When you are buying the theme, might be on later dates, you might be getting an updated version, but the installation process and the features will remain almost same. So just keep in mind, you have to buy the theme through the video description link at themeforest.net. It is really very important to buy the theme at themeforest.net, that is on Elementor Market, by following the link. Why by following the link? Because once you buy the theme through the affiliate link that is in the description, you can join the iCreate program for free. And here, with the help of Mentor, you can create a successful website. You can chat, you can onboard and everything. So don't hesitate. Just start a chat with Mentor if you are interested in this theme or any other resource. If you need any help regarding your WordPress website, so iCreate members are here, iCreate mentors are here. You can join the program. Okay. And when you are buying the theme through link, it is going to be free for you. Okay. It is important. So let us activate the theme. On activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins. So this theme requires following plugins. So we can begin installing the plugins. And let us see which plugins are here. 4 plugins have been marked as required. Elementor is the page builder. Wonderful. Redux framework, that works wonderful with the Elementor. WooCommerce is of course here. The WP Bingo core, so basic plugin, core plugin, that is coming from the theme developer itself. Contact Form 7 as usual. Revelation slider has been used for hero images and 3 associates of WooCommerce. Very core and basic plugins, so it is going to give us a stable website because we have less dependency on external plugins. So I'm going to select all these 9 plugins. We'll try to install all listed plugins here in a single attempt. Let us see if it works. It will install all the plugins. Otherwise, we need to install plugins one by one by following these install links. So you might be thinking, why I'm showing you all this? It is a very simple process. Yes, it is a simple process. But yes, you have to follow the exact step. But before buying the theme, you cannot see all these things. And this is the purpose of video, to show you insights of the theme, what you can do with the theme, how it really works, how you can customize, and what are the features available, so that your buying decision should be very clear. So this is why you can compare multiple themes, resources on this channel, and this is the beauty of this channel, that you can check all the things before buying. So all has been installed successfully, and I got all this green mark here. So it is really very cool for me. While installing the theme, I always wish to have green marks. So all the plugins have been successfully installed without any trouble, without any error. You can see all have been successfully installed. And I must tell you, I'm using a very, very shared hosting plan, very low resource hosting. So it is the beauty of theme as well. And yes, so you have to consider to take a suitable hosting plan. It is really important to make a successful website. So let us come back to the plugin installer screen, and this time we have to select all the installed plugins again. And this time I will select activate and click on apply. Let us see if it is getting activated. All the plugins in line for activation. It may take a while. Yes, wonderful. All plugins have been successfully installed, activated along with the theme, and we are here on the dashboard. Maybe on welcome page of Elementor. Let us see. Yes, so this is welcome page. You can come back to the dashboard, and I'm going to refresh this page just to check how our website now looks with the theme and all set of plugins. Still, it is very clear and clean, and of course we need to have demo contents. We need to import the demo contents to make a target website like any of these. So I have opened just 3.1, but yes, we have options, 12 plus option as a pre-made website. So you can choose any of these pre-made websites depending upon your requirement and choice. So you can choose the jewelry demo, the furniture demo, and the fashion demo as well. So what I'll do, I'll go to the backend again and we'll search where we can import the demo. So theme options, I'm going to show you all these new links, what is here. And the theme options, okay. So in the theme options, I can see demo importers. So first of all, we need to use this one and increase your max execution time 40,000. Okay, and maximum execution time should be 40,000. So we can increase the maximum execution time. And now it again comes to the hosting. So we are using instance 21. So, okay, so we need to have access on all these features, like cPanel based hosting plan gives you all the features that you may require for WordPress website. So like we need to increase the maximum execution time. So we can go to the PHP INI editor, select the respective domain, and we need to increase the maximum execution time. It is currently 6,000. Now I am going to make it 40,000. Yes, it is simple, and rest of things are as earlier. Okay, so I have increased the execution time and I am back here, and this time we have all the PHP memory limit is fine. So import process will work based on clean install. You can use a plugin such as WordPress Research. So I am already using, so I have this clean install. Okay, so ensure all plugins are installed beforehand. And example, WooCommerce, any plugins that you add to content to. Be patient and wait for the import process to complete, and it may take up to 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so let us click on import demo and it is started. The progress bar is going to show us the actual progress, and we have to be patient and we need to wait to process to be complete. So it is still on 0%. So I am anxious, in fact, whether it is working fine. And okay, so it is now started. So how we can actually check whether it is really working in the background? We can open the media library in another tab. And if we are getting any media elements here, it means it is working fine. So we just need to wait and don't disturb the process. Don't hit the back button or refresh the page. It is working fine, and it will certainly bring a very wonderful demo website for us. Meanwhile, we can explore the demo, and let us say, so this is ticker and it is really very attractive, and internal pages, the wish list, the bag, and the stunning look. So I can directly jump to the product listing just to check how it looks. Okay, so this is the category filter. Again, some filtration like this is carousel of category, and again this is product and product filtration like swatches and the color swatches filtration. Okay, so it is certainly going to take much time than expected. It is not going to complete in 3 to 5 minutes at least for my host and in my environment. It is just on 9% after around 3 or even 4 minutes, and I can see the number of media items I have received is 60. So I can calculate the number of medias items are really very big. This is why it is taking time. So we have to be patient on this screen until we are getting an error message, and it is working fine, but yes, it is taking time. And if at any point of time during the process of demo content import, it is now on 20%. If you feel it is stuck and it is not moving forward, what you can do, simply refresh the page. However, refreshing the page is different, but just in case if you feel it is stuck and it is not going forward, you can refresh the page and it will not import the demo twice, I'm sure. And like on 20%, like it is on 68 images, so it is a basic test. So if it is stuck and the number of images will not increase, it was 68, now 124. So as I said, it is bringing multiple media items, which is really media items always takes times in importing, and this is why it is taking time. And it is on 20%, so we can check after a while at whether it is increasing like 124, and I'm going to refresh the page again. If it is not increasing, so it is increasing. However, it is slow, but it is increasing. So we cannot disturb the process. If it is stuck, you can refresh the page. It is very important to understand when you have to refresh the page. So just check here. If the media items are increasing, don't disturb the process. And if it is also stuck and the progress bar is also stuck, you can refresh the page. And it is on 24%. I can calculate total. It took around 6 minutes for me for this instance. So still it is going on, and I can check the progress of number of images. But I must tell you another thing. So now it is 148. So it is increasing undoubtedly. But just to take a chance, I started installing the theme on another instance that is using the light speed hosting. So this one is Apache that I am using, and another one is the light speed, and somehow on the light speed it is working fine. Not like somehow this hosting has greater resources, and I also did not increase the maximum execution time here, and it is going very fast here, so it is great. So I always used to check the theme and the plugin and other resources, since we are using those theme and resources at our Redis project and at our iCreate program. So we always used to check all the resources before releasing on this channel or using at our own. So if it is working on light speed, so I would recommend to use the light speed hosting. Again, you can follow the video description link to get the light speed based hosting. It also comes with the cPanel, so it is not like a difference. But yes, it is working fine, since the light speed is working fine for this particular theme. So I would recommend to use the light speed hosting. So however, yet it to be concluded finally, but here it is going fast, and I can see the media items in another tab at second instance, and it is 246. So it is really very big number. So this is why it is taking time. And okay, now it is on 43%, and the earlier was still on 25%. So we can simply interpret which one is working fine. And this is on 50%, and this is really going very fast. It is now on 70%, now on 96. So it hardly took 3 minutes as mentioned here. So now we can simply conclude that light speed hosting is much suitable hosting for this particular theme, and it is going to complete about on 99%, and it is about to complete. I just wish to show you this showing 100%, and let's just wait again. Just going. So the last percent is taking time somehow, but yes, meanwhile I can check the media library again, and I can see the 346 media items here, and it is on 99%. I need to wait. I wish to show you, and now it is showing imported. So it hardly took 3 to 5 minutes, even actually 4 minutes for me in the another instance, and I can see the number of pages. I'm going to refresh again. 32 pages, and if we talk about the media elements, 346 and 36 published pages. All home pages are here: fashion, furniture, and the jewelry. And now I am eager to check my website. It should be amazing. Yes, it is. Please assign menu. Okay, so definitely we will assign a menu. Yes, the amazing website is here, and we got all the contents. Undoubtedly, the installation remained smooth. So we just need to assign menu, and we can check on other pages as well. I can randomly check the jewelry one. So just to make sure, so we have received all the content. Yes, it is good, and we can conclude the installation remained smooth. We just need to assign a menu. I'm closing all these tabs now. And if we talk about assigning a menu, it is going to be super simple. Under appearance, there is a menu, and manage location, and select menu, main menu, and just fine. So on refreshment. So okay, so now let us review the features what is available with the theme, and I'm going to show you the new screens, new features very quickly. So this is for AOV variation swatches, so we can set all the variation swatches since it is an e-commerce website. So we have option to set the variation swatches, like we can enable the color swatches and the image swatches, and some features are pro, so we can definitely enable the color and the image swatches. So these two options are here. Webway Ingo. So this is the core plugin, and this is the core feature in the theme. We have theme options here. So in the theme option, we have basic settings, like we have already used the demo imported. In the general setting, we have layout settings, like we can use the background image, logo, icons, header, footer. So we have multiple header options as well, and we can set the header things like Ajax Search and the mini cart or the cart style. And further, we have footer contents, copyright, page title 404, social share, and the social links. A styling option gives us option to loading overlay, enable the loading overlay and the banner effect. So we can use these settings. Further, under e-commerce setting, we have layout, shop page, sidebar, filter on top, filter drop down, and all these options are here. Like we can set the single product out of stock can be enabled, or minimum count view, or image product. So it is all under control. So we can set the different parameters for WooCommerce, the e-commerce site. Blog settings, demo importer, we have already used it, and import export settings here. So this is very simple to use interface. Now next, I can see the WP Clever. So it brings some additional feature like essential kit. So you might be aware about the WP Clever. So it is bringing additional feature on the WooCommerce simply. So you can enable the things, additional feature from this toggle options, and you can further install new plugin from the WP Clever itself. So two features are already enabled, like a smart compare for WooCommerce and the WP list. So WP Clever gives all the bundle options in a single plugin. So it is good, but yes, you may need to install additional plugins just in case. But WP Clever will be the common brand. Like if you need to install the buy now button for WooCommerce, so you can simply use this. All these additional features are free at WP Clever, so you can use these features as you need. Okay, so this is very good thing. So a smart compare and a smart wishlist is already installed here. So you can use this setting and the available options that is available in the free. Further, if you need, you can go for premium one. And then next, I have nothing like a special the slider revolution, and gives us options to edit the hero image content. So go to the respective hero image and in the slider that you are using at your demo, and click on edit button. And if you are new to WordPress or slider revolution, you can take a take a backup of sliders when you start editing. Rest of things are going to be controlled through the Elementor page builder. Like if we are visiting the site and we want to change the content, we can simply go through the Elementor page builder, and here we can simply update the page contents. Okay, so this is here, and the menu has we assigned here, and for the slider we have to go in the revolution slider. For rest of the content we can edit the content here, like 30% off on the order, the background if it is appearing somehow a blue background is not here, so you can use the color changes options like styling options and the advanced options. So you can change everything using the Elementor page builder. And just in case if you have any question, you can please write in the comment section, or you can join the iCreate program, as I used to say. Okay, strange, it is still on 25%. So you can join the program after buying the theme through the video description link. It is going to be free, and you can separately join the program and start a chat. Even you are not joining the program, you are welcome to have a chat with the mentor. Everything is for you, and we created this wonderful website in this video. I believe you like this theme and you are going to use this theme for your next fashion, jewelry, or the furniture e-commerce project. And in the next video, I'm coming with more resources. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.